Hi everybody. I have been wanting to do an unboxing video for my good friend Bertharis at Aura Reiki Energy. And she has already sent me, this is the second box she has sent me, and I said I'm gonna do it because I just love the way she packs everything up with such care. So you first have this, and I ordered some sprays and a crystal, and I just want to show you this beautiful little sprig that she packed it with. There's rosemary and some beautiful, I think that's lavender, and a lovely evergreen branch. It's just such care she takes with this, and it's so sweet. And then she includes this beautiful little note. This is the most adorable little note card. I love it. It has a raised squirrel with a nut on it. It is so sweet. And she just, says, so grateful for you and our friendship. And I speak protection and peace over your entire being and your home. Love, Bertharis. So she's already, her intentions and her love already, I haven't even gotten to the goodies. And look at this. What a beautiful thing. She sent a St. Michael medal as well for protection. I love this. And this is a beautiful card of St. Michael as well with his prayer on the back. My goodness. And we haven't even gotten to the good stuff, as I said. So let me get out this packing stuff here. Oh my goodness. And I love this pack. I don't know why, I just love this stuff. I'm keeping it because I like to use it for my presents. Oh, look at this. And she's got a bag with her logo, of course. Look at this stone. This is just magnificent. Magnificent. So I have to tourmaline. Oh, this is the one I asked her for. I asked her for a stone with ruby, if she had it, a ruby stone, and she said she had a stone with ruby in it. So this is called a ruby, and I'm not sure I'm going to say this right, zoisite, Z-O-I-S-I-T-E. So I'm going to have to ask her how to pronounce that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at and there's ruby in it. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then she has these gorgeous sprays, and I have to tell you, these are the best smelling sage sprays. I don't like burning sage because I personally don't like it. It hurts. I love sage, but I don't like burning it. You see, there's a little emblem there on her sticker. Because oh, this is the crystal. Because sage, the spray just bothers me, and I know it bothers some people when you do that. Look at this, holy mackerel! Oh, just wanted some extra protection for myself, especially at nighttime, at my bedside. And I asked if she had black tourmaline, and there it is. Look at this. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What a beautiful piece! What a beauty! I can feel that the weight of it, Yes, the weight of it is just magnificent. And I mean the energetic weight of it as well. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. And as I was saying, these gorgeous sprays, just one more thing here. I ordered 2 bottles of these sprays. And, the little ties that she puts on it. It's just, everything is just done with such love. These sprays, I kid you not, in my experience, have been... they just have a really wonderful, wonderful scent. Sage sage, sea salt, black tourmaline. How cool, she put tourmaline in it. And here they are. Aura Energy Healing Spray. Oh, here, I'll give you a little. Give myself a little. Really, really beautiful. Well, and there's another bottle of that. So I just wanted to do that because I felt that I wanted to honor her and acknowledge her for the beautiful job that she does. And she is also a sound therapist. We actually studied together. We took the same sound therapy certification course. So that's our connection. But I just love her, and I love the way she does things. And I wanted to acknowledge her for that. Love you, Bertharis. Hope you enjoyed the video.